Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and on this Cadillac STS we're going to go over how you would remove to replace this trunk lock actuator. Say you're having some issues with it, it's not opening properly, maybe opening intermittently, because it's all electronic, and so if it starts acting funny, once it starts acting funny you're going to want to have to replace this, otherwise it won't be opening. So we have this little cover piece that you'll remove, and once you pop the trunk you'll remove this by all the push pins around it, and then we'll remove and we set this aside. And then what holds this on is well, first let's undo this electric connector. Okay, and now there's two number 30 Torx bolts that hold this on. Alright, so we've removed it, and this is what it looks like when it's removed. And like I said, there is no manual opening or disconnect to this, so if this starts malfunctioning, if you get your trunk open, you're going to want to replace this immediately, otherwise your trunk will be closed and it will not be opening. So you get a new one of these and you'll be able to reinstall it. Make sure your electric side is on the left side. Okay, those are all tightened up, and then press the electric connector back together, and then when you're done with everything under here, you'll just want to reinstall your cover here by placing it over that and pushing all the push pin clips to hold it on, and you work your way around and do that. And also you'll want to put your handle back on. So put the bottom side in first and press the top, and it goes right on. And that's how you would replace the door latch. So thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.